Mahilig ka bang magpuyat? At nung matutulog ka na, bigla mong narinig na parang may nag-uusap kahit wala naman. O di kaya naman ay may nakikita kang anino na akala mo multo. Don't worry. You are not losing your mind. Baka naman nakakaranas ka nung tinatawag nating hypnagogic hallucination or waking dreams. Hypnagogic hallucination can happen right before you fall asleep. Nakapikit na yung mga mata natin, pero yung isip natin gising pa rin. And sometimes our brain plays tricks on us. Minsan pa nga, feeling natin may tumatawag sa pangalan natin. Or may mga nakikita tayong shadows or mga mukha. Sometimes it even feels like someone is in the room. And mas malala, minsan parang may tao o nilalang na dumadagan sa dibdib natin habang tayo ay nakahiga. Nakakatakot, ano? Pero, alam niyo ba na very common ito? And they are not always a sign of mental disorder. It can happen usually kapag tayo ay mahilig magpuyat or stress na stress bago matulog o di kaya irregular yung pagtulog natin. If this happens once in a while, okay lang yon. Pero kapag madalas na talaga at sometimes even every night, baka kailangan na nating ipa-check up yon. Consult a mental health professional. Sleep is powerful, so is our mind. Partner, laging tandaan, pangalagaan ang ating mental health.